I'm going to show you how to build a customer service receptionist for a medical practice that can do 10,000 calls a day if there's that much demand. And we can do it in about 20 minutes, which is fantastic. So first, we're going to go to Nova Echo AI. Nova Echo is the most advanced conversational voice AI in the world right now. We'll talk more about that at the end. We're going to go to voice agents. We're going to click on inbound, okay, because we're going to do an inbound receptionist. Then the first thing we're going to do is an opening message. Now, the opening message is going to be, hey, thanks for calling medical practice. How are you? Medical practice is going to be the name of our medical practice, okay? Then we have a bunch of different voices. We have a ton of voices you can choose from. I'm going to just go with Margarita. Do Margarita. And then I'm going to make it multilingual. So if somebody calls in any of these languages, Margarita can switch to that language and talk to them immediately. Even if they don't ask her to. She'll just understand the language and switch. Then we have counter booking, call transferring, advanced options. I'm going to set up the call transfer later, but first I want to make the prompt and the script really, really damn good. The interrupt sensitivity I'm going to keep at low. The response speed I'll keep at auto. And the AI creativity I'm going to put at 0.7. So it's a little bit more dynamic. You know what I mean? Then let me move myself over here to the top right. Then I'm going to paste the outline of a script here. Okay. Now this is an outline that can be used for medical practices. Typically when we build these agents out, we do them from complete scratch. That would just take way too long in this video. So that's why I'm using an outline. And we do have other outlines that you can use here. However, again, building from scratch typically always works better. But right here, background, your virtual assistant, the first point of contact for callers on a recorded line. Your role is to help with scheduling or canceling appointments, handling prescription refills, general inquiries. You should also recognize when to transfer calls to live staff or other departments. In emergencies, instruct the caller to hang up and dial 911. If unable to complete tasks or in special cases, urgent issues, control the refills, Perfect. So the background is good. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit, and it's going to say general call rules. Speak in a calm, friendly, human tone. Ask one question at a time. Always get caller's name. Offer only 2 appointment times once. Save times in the morning and the afternoon. Confirm appointments details before ending. And every call with thank you for calling. Have a great day. Okay, perfect. Now for the greeting. Hello, my name is Assistant Name, and I'm your virtual assistant. I can help you schedule or cancel appointments, request prescription refills, or answer general questions. How can I help you today? Okay. Now, I'm going to do a little bit more prompting here, and I want you guys to see how I do it because it's very important. With the appointment booking, first we're going to say ask the caller if new or existing. This is a little out there, and typically what we want to do is actually tell the AI exactly how it's going to say it. Now, we could keep it like this. It would understand how to do it, but it's going to be better if we tell the AI what it should be saying. So we're going to do, are you a new or existing client? Okay, they're going to respond, and we're going to say, this is important. We're going to say, okay. And then we're going to go to the next thing because we're going to anticipate they're going to say something. We're going to use this to respond to them because it's the next line. Then we're going to ask something else. What's your name so I can verify it? Thanks. We want to switch it up so it's not just saying, okay, 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 because then it sounds very robotic. Thanks. What's your date of birth? And then got it. And what's your phone number? Perfect. Then we're going to say ask reason for visit. So we're going to do great. And last question, what brings you in today? Or why did you decide to call today? That way we understand why they're actually calling, what they actually need help with, etc. Okay. Then after this, we're going to say understood. And remember up here, we said to make sure that we're saying mornings or afternoons first. I'll get rid of that. Okay, so understood. Are you available at insert available appointment time? Or we're going to copy this. Insert another available appointment time. And the reason we're doing the parentheses is because we want to make sure that the AI understands, and this is a command. We're asking it to pull something in, and we're not telling it what to say. Otherwise, it could say, understand Understood. Are you available at insert available time or insert another available time? And obviously that sounds a little robotic. Okay, so we're going to delete this, and it says to confirm date, time, and location. So we're going to say, okay, you are locked in for insert the time they agreed upon with you. Just confirming. Oops. Does that work? Perfect. Remind caller to bring ID and insurance. Okay, so then we're going to say, perfect. Make sure you bring your ID and insurance info to our appointment. Okay. And we like to end on a question to make sure they respond back. And we can get rid of this for now. Well, people can call us to cancel appointments. Okay, so we'll keep that. So if somebody wants to cancel an appointment, we're going to say, what is your name and phone number? Then we're going to do, okay, what is your date of birth? Now the cancel system, this is something that we're going to do after the call, so we can get rid of that. And then we're going to say, okay, your call has been canceled. Is there a good time to reschedule for? Perfect. Now we're going to go down a little bit more. Prescription refills. We're going to verify the caller. So now we can just come up here and we can actually copy this. It's already built. And we're going to say, noted. What is the medication you wanted? If controlled or unclear, transfer. If about product or services, transfer to proper team. If caller asks for staff or has urgent needs, transfer. Transfer rules. Always transfer if caller asks for da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, that'll make sense. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come up and we're going to click on call transfer. And then we're going to input a number for it to transfer to. This is a random number. Then we're going to click save. And we can also do allow transfer only during business hours. And we're going to press save. Perfect. That is it. Okay. Now, obviously, when we really want to dial this in, we'll spend dozens of hours testing like it crazy, doing 100+ calls, going crazy, having multiple people test it, coming in here, adjusting every little word, every little letter, every little punctuation to make sure that it sounds perfect. It knows everything it's talking about. It's not going to get tripped at all, etc., etc., etc. But for the sake of this video, I want to just show you guys how you can build a damn good agent really quickly. So this is, it's the 80-20 rule. I always say this is 80% of the agent. The last 20 is going to get a lot of the results, but this does sound very good. So I'm going to actually call it. That way you guys can hear what it sounds like. And then I'll show you one more thing.
Hey, thanks for calling medical practice. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you today?
I wanted to book an appointment.
Sure thing. Are you a new or existing client?
Existing.
Great. Could I have your name to verify your account?
Yeah, my name is James.
Thanks, James. What's your date of birth?
My date of birth is 06/72/1945.
Got it, June 6, 1945. And can I have your phone number, please?
Yep, my phone number is 634-267-1234.
Thanks, James. Just to confirm, your number is 634-267-1234, right?
Yep.
Awesome. What's the reason for your visit today?
Man, I just wanted to see how good you guys are. You guys are amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Are you available at 10 in the morning or 2 in the afternoon for your appointment?
Yeah, let's do 10 in the morning.
Just to confirm, you're locked in for 2 in the afternoon, right?
No. I said 10 in the morning. Excuse me.
No problem. Thanks for clarifying. So you're scheduled for 10 in the morning. Just remember to bring your ID and insurance info, okay?
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye. Fantastic. Fantastic. So obviously she let me just speak complete BS. Typically, when we build these agents out, if someone's talking BS, it's going to pick up on it. It's going to say, hey, I need the real information or whatever it is that we want to counteract that BS, right? Then I can come to call logs and recordings within the dashboard, and we can actually see the call. So I can listen to it. I can read the transcript of it. This is all accurate. And we can also export all of this data. That way we can listen to it somewhere else. And it even pulled out my name, James. It's not a real name, but pulled it out nonetheless. So that works. Cool. So now you guys have a sense of how this actual dashboard works, how you can build agents pretty quickly and make them pretty decent really, really fast, and how good they can get. Because when they're fully built out, fully prompted, fully customized, these medical practice agents and all agents for that matter can get really, really, really good and indistinct. So if you have a medical practice or any other kind of company that needs a receptionist, we work specifically with a lot of medical practices and companies that need receptionists. And so there's going to be a link in the description down below to book a discovery call with our team. It's going to be a human from our team. You'll be able to hop on. They'll show you an even more in-depth and full demo of the dashboard and of our CRM and of our plans and answer any questions you have. So again, link in the description down below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.